Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Jackie and I am here today to present some email marketing tips in 2021. So in regards to email marketing, it does have the highest ROI, which is the highest return of investment. And the more you leverage this, the more success you'll have. So in regards to return of investment, it does determine the profitability in your business, and it's used for measuring success over time and taking the guesswork out of making future business decisions. So, to go ahead and jump in today with tip number one, that would be to not use any designs, no designs at all. Go ahead and space out the lines in the email and don't use any commas. Instead, use a period or three dots. And this will help you and get you a better response rate with your emails. In regards to tip number two, you can tell stories as how the product has transformed your life, because a positive story will help you connect with the people so you can build that know, like, and trust factor. And for tip number three, use a video. It's a very powerful method. It increases the relationship, such as what I'm doing right now. You're able to see me and you know that I'm a real person and I'm here to help you. So I'm using a video. So that's a really great way, and pretty much using videos, that's the way to go now because people love to see videos. And I myself love seeing videos as well. So that's a great tip. But tip number four, that's using proven content. You don't need to reinvent the wheel. You can go ahead and send out the same emails, but change the subject lines. As well, you can refresh the content, tweak it, and you'll find out what works. That way you can get a better response rate and go ahead and get your emails opened up. So tip number five is segmentation. Your list will grow very quickly once you start using solo ads. You'll be getting leads coming in like water to your list. So you can get rid of people who aren't opening emails, and you can do that through Aweber, excuse me. But I would suggest to do that every 60 to 90 days. As well, once you start getting your customers, you can also segment that list into customers or non-customers. And why I mention this is because there is an algorithm to an algorithm to anything that you use on the internet. It's all part of an algorithm. So the lifespan of an email does decline. So it's better to clean your list. That way you can go ahead and make sure you are getting sales in and you are building that relationship with those people who do want to buy from you. In regards to tip number six, this would be to run traffic. Don't be afraid to find a solo ad vendor, a great ethical solo ad vendor, and stay consistent when you run traffic. So a great tip to give out here is to at least go ahead and aim for 100 leads a week. And it's really great. It's maybe $50 to $65 for 100 clicks. So you want to go ahead and try and get 100 leads a week. And this gets eyes on your product, which is the system that you'll be promoting and or service. But also don't be afraid to email your list, because some will, some won't, and someone is waiting for the offer that you have. So in regards to email, this is a transactional email marketing. Keep in mind that that all these tips implemented, and from what I'm learning here on my way, 100 loyal buyers can make you sales, but 1,000 loyal buyers can create you a six-figure business. So using email marketing is a really great method of using online, and it has the highest return of investment because you own your list and your list becomes your asset. So I am using email marketing with this great system, Lead Capture Marketing Pro. It's a lead generation system. It helps you keep all your opportunities in one place, and you get to go ahead and compare how each business is doing. So with Lead Capture Marketing Pro, You can purchase this system for $300 and you can go ahead and resell it to others for $300. And it's only $47 a month to maintain, but it gives you all these great training videos as well. It lets you keep track of your campaigns back here. I am currently running 2 active campaigns here, and that's how I'm getting leads into my sales funnel. So once you have your campaign and you go ahead and click here, this is your link to your campaign, and this is where they get redirected to my branding page. And this would be the sales page right here. So this explains everything about Lead Capture Marketing Pro. You go ahead and click play here. It's a great 9-minute video. Tells you everything you need to know about Lead Capture Marketing Pro. But in regards to that, keep in mind you do get masterminds, lead capture funnels, campaign tracking, the video branding page, Craigslist autoresponder, and as well, like I mentioned, you get to resell it and earn $300 instant commissions on every sale. It's member to member, so you get that payment right away. You can choose Venmo, PayPal, Cash App, check, or money order. So Stripe, you can use any of that to get the $300 payment. So you can see here, you can go ahead and look at the testimonials. Really great stuff here. It's a really great system. It has really greatly impacted my life using this system. I love being on automation. Love knowing that I can just log in and check my campaigns. They're all in one place. Everything's set up in one place. I go in here to refresh any kind of content or training I may need regarding Lead Capture Marketing Pro. So it's really great. You can join today and get your home-based business up and running. So with the tips that I have provided here today in regarding email marketing, go ahead and implement them, use them, and they are working for me, and I hope that they also work for you. But thank you as well for coming to my channel today and listening here on email marketing tips in 2021. So if you have anything else you'd like to hear, feel free to leave a comment. But thank you for checking me out today and have a great day. I'll talk to you soon.